Now, real quick, we're not going to quite finish this because I want to give us enough time to wander around. But let's do this part at least while we all have this data sorted. Did everybody get to the point you know how many are in this first class? 2, yeah, just the 261s. There's 261s. There's 2. 65 to 68. Looks like 9? 10? 11? 11, yeah. Right? You count all the way up to 68, looks like there's 11 data points. It's so freaking bright. Cool. And now 69 to 72, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is that cool? Did I go far enough? 14? 14. Dang. No, I went far enough. Yay. 73 to 76. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This looks like 7. 77 to 80. 1, 2, 2. And how do I check real quick that things look okay so far? How many fathers? Yeah, so 13, 26, 28, 35. Thank God. So let's do this. Let's finish this sheet up next time. Or if you want to, try to finish the sheet up on your own. I'll finish this out and make copies of it for you. This sheet here has an answer key. So do this for me. Gather your stuff up because I can't lock the door. Listen, guys. Start walking that way, but wait for me to get out in front of you. Okay? Yes, start walking that way. Come up here and don't forget your IDs, please. I don't know. I hate it when you leave those with me. Or weird. Appreciate it.
Same, whatever that decimal is, and then you have this decimal for the next one. To get this one, you have this one, for the next one, you get this one. You just basically go that one to that one, that one to that one, that one. That sounds familiar.
Cool. Yay. Everybody. Good Lord. Never leave it.
So, when I kind of, since I had it all right on the first side, I went right on the back side.
Oh, no, you don't have to return. Okay. Yeah, you're good. Those weren't really graded.
Okay.
Yeah, don't need the phone. I just need it to keep recording this. Nothing happening.